Welcome to Math with Mr. J. In this video, I'm going to cover how to graph a line given a point and the slope. Let's jump into our example where we have graph the line that passes through the point -5, 1 and has a slope of 3/2, 3/2. Well, our first step is to plot the point. So we need a point at -5, 1. -5 is our x-coordinate and 1 is our y-coordinate. So we go over to -5, which is right here, and then up 1. And that's where we plot our point. So that's -5, 1, and that's going to be our starting point. So we're going to go from here now. So let's move on to our second step where we will use the slope to plot the second point. The slope here is 3/2. And remember, for slope, it's rise over run. So the vertical change over the horizontal change. 3 is the rise, over, and then 2 is the run. Now we go from our point at -5, 1. So we'll start with the rise, which is 3, a positive 3. So we go up 3 units. 1, 2, 3. And then our run is 2, a positive 2. So we go to the right 2 units. 1, 2, and we plot our second point. Now for our last step, step 3, we draw a straight line through both points. If you're using paper and pencil, a straight edge like a ruler will be helpful. So we draw our line straight through our 2 points. And now we have our line graphed. Looking at this line, we can see that it's moving upward as it moves from left to right. We have a positive slope here. Now we can stop here, and this would be perfectly fine. We have our line graphed. But I do want to mention a couple of extra things. One thing that I want to add, we can always do more than 2 points if we would like as well. So we can continue from our second point and go up 3 and over 2 again. So up 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units, and then over 1 unit, 2 units to the right for another point on the line. So we can work from left to right, going up 3, over to the right 2, and that will continue to give us points on this line. And then one more thing to go off of this and think about, we can work our way left as well. So instead of working our way right by going up 3 and over to the right 2, we can go left by going down 3 and to the left 2. So if we want to go the opposite way, we take the opposite rise and opposite run. So our original rise and run, 3/2, we can do -3 over -2 to continue to the left here. So this is down 3 units and then to the left 2 units. And let's go from our original point of -5, 1. So down 3 units, 1, 2, 3, and then to the left 2 units. 1, 2. And this is another point on the line. Now keep in mind, since our rise was -3, we went down 3 units. And since our run was -2, we went to the left 2 units. So we can go either way from that original point and plot points on the line. And if we look right here, these are equal. 3/2, a positive 3/2 is equal to a -3 over a -2. These both represent the same slope, the same positive slope. Because think about it, a negative over a negative divided by a negative, gives us a positive. So really, either of these will work for this slope. So just some extra things to think about here. But if we want to keep it as simple as possible, just do 2 points. The original point, and then use the slope to find a second point. Now, with all of those marks from the rise and the run, this graph doesn't look too organized, so let's clean this up. So here's our cleaned up line, and we can see our original point at -5, 1, and then points going from that based on the slope. Now, you only need 2 points to draw the line, but we did do a little bit extra here. So there you have it. There's how to graph a line given a point and the slope. Our first step, plot the point. Our second step, go from that point using the slope and plot a second point. And then our last step, draw a line through the 2 points. I hope that helped. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, peace.